United States.
After nearly 14 months away from the sport she so dearly loves, Serena Williams' return was like so many other battles she has fought in the past. Today her incredible journey continues as the new mum seeks to claim another win on Stadium 1 at the BNP Paribas Open. And despite being the seeded player, Serena's opponent Kiki Bertens knows she won't have the spotlight on her in this one, but will that suit the former French Open semi-finalist? It's Bertens who breaks first. An excellent start from the Dutch player. Leads 2-1 in this first set. Oh, what a drop shot that is.
It's so well timed. They pushed Serena deep into that backhand corner.
Love 15.
Shot down the line as well. You give your opponent less time to chase it down.
Oh, awesome power from Serena Williams. And that gets the crowd going. Will it get her going?
And you can see the energy and emotion for Serena after this match. Did much better with the patience of the power.
Williams breaks to love. And this topsy-turvy start to this second round encounter takes another twist. It's a superb return. And Bertens breaks to love. Gets herself back in front. 4-3.
New balls, please.
It's a beauty of a backhand. And Williams breaks in the nick of time.
It was great. Hip turn into that final backhand in that lunge position. Such an athlete out there on the court.
Looked like she was going to get in a muddle again, but adapted exceptionally well this time.
He did well just to drop that racket head behind the wrist to get it dipping short in the court.
Oh, just unleashes.
I just feel commitment and desire into that backhand. Really wants to drive to get through this first set.
Williams.
Such great strength into it.
Deja vu for Serena Williams. Third time that she has taken a first set on the breaker against Kiki Bertens. It was a set that really could have gone either way. Bertens served for it, but it is the 23-time Grand Slam champion who takes the opener 7-6. Oh, stunning. First get on the forehand side without of this world from Kiki Bertens, and then had the composure to find the pass on the next one.
Read the play so well here. You can see even in slow motion just how fast those wrists worked around the ball. I read the play, knew what Bertens was going to try next. Great anticipation from Serena there.
30 love.
There's nice variety from Bertens, but so brilliantly dealt with by Serena Williams. Just wasn't perhaps enough disguise on the drop shot.
30-15.
You could almost see Serena measuring which way to go as she was running forwards.
Williams breaks again. And the emotion pours out once more. Such a competitor. And once again, in a few moments' time, we'll have the chance to serve for the match. This time it's 6-5. Serena Williams ensures she will continue her journey here in Indian Wells. Sets up an all-Williams third-round encounter with a win that was full of determination and desire that has truly been missed in the last year or so. For the third time in a row, she was pushed hard by Kiki Bertens, but for the third time in a row, Serena Williams comes through in straight sets, 7-6, 7-5 in an hour and 51 minutes.